Have you ever wondered what goes into that Big Mac you're about to enjoy? McDonald's serves millions of Americans every single day. How do they possibly keep up with that demand and ensure every burger is just right? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the incredible journey of a McDonald's burger, from the farm all the way to your tray. It's a story of massive scale, incredible logistics, and surprisingly meticulous quality control. So grab your fries and let's dive into the fascinating world of how McDonald's makes its iconic burgers. It all starts with the beef. McDonald's is one of the largest purchasers of beef in the world, but it's not just any beef. They have strict standards for their suppliers. The journey begins at ranches across the country, where cattle are raised. These farms are regularly audited to ensure they meet McDonald's standards for animal health and welfare. Once the cattle are ready, the beef is sent to dedicated processing facilities. Here is a fun fact. McDonald's uses 100% beef trimmings from cuts like the chuck, round, and sirloin for their patties. No fillers, no additives, no preservatives are added to the beef itself. It's just pure beef. At the processing plant, the beef undergoes a rigorous inspection process. Quality control is paramount. The meat is checked for temperature, color, and texture. Then it's coarsely ground, and then finely ground to achieve that specific McDonald's texture we all know. After grinding, the beef is formed into those perfectly uniform patties. This process is highly automated. Machines press the ground beef into the familiar shapes and sizes, whether it's for a classic hamburger or a quarter pounder. The patties are then flash frozen. This is a critical step. Flash freezing locks in the freshness and flavor of the beef, and it's also a key food safety measure, preventing the growth of bacteria. Once frozen, the patties are boxed up and shipped out. And this is where the logistics get truly mind-blowing. McDonald's has a vast network of distribution centers. These are state-of-the-art warehouses that store everything a restaurant needs, from beef patties and buns to ketchup and pickles. The frozen patties arrive in temperature-controlled trucks to maintain that perfect frozen state. The inventory system is incredibly sophisticated, ensuring that every single one of the thousands of McDonald's restaurants in the U.S. gets exactly what it needs, right on time. Think about it. A restaurant can't afford to run out of its most popular item. The supply chain is a finely tuned machine, operating 24/7. Now, let's talk about the buns. That soft, slightly sweet bun is just as iconic as the patty itself. McDonald's works with dedicated bakeries to produce them. The recipe is specific, designed to have the perfect texture and toastability. The dough is mixed, proofed, shaped, and then sent into massive tunnel ovens. After baking, they're cooled and often pre-sliced before being packaged. Just like the beef, the buns are then sent to the distribution centers, ready to be shipped alongside the patties to the restaurants. It's all about consistency. The bun you get in California should be the exact same as the one you get in New York, so the frozen patties and the fresh buns have arrived at your local McDonald's. What happens next? This is where the magic of the McDonald's kitchen comes into play. When you place your order, the clock starts ticking. The frozen beef patties are taken directly from the freezer and placed onto a special double-sided grill. This grill cooks the patties from both sides simultaneously, which is why it's so fast. For the classic patties, it takes less than a minute. For a quarter pounder, it's a bit longer, but still incredibly quick. This clamshell grill sears the outside, locking in the juices. And here is a key detail. The only thing added during cooking is a little salt and pepper, and that's only after the patty is cooked. At the same time the patty is grilling, the buns are being toasted. They go into a special toaster that gives them a warm, slightly crispy surface. This toasting is important because it prevents the bun from getting soggy from the sauces and a juicy patty. Once the patty is cooked and the bun is toasted, it's time for assembly. This is the dressing station. Depending on the burger you ordered, the crew member adds the specific condiments. For a classic cheeseburger, it's a squirt of ketchup and mustard, a sprinkle of onions, a slice of cheese, and that all-important pickle. Everything is done in a specific order to ensure maximum efficiency and taste. The assembly process is like a well-choreographed dance. Each crew member has a role, and they work together to build your burger in seconds. This assembly line system, pioneered by the McDonald brothers themselves, is the secret to their speed. Once the burger is assembled, it's and either placed on your tray or sent down a chute to the landing zone, ready to be bagged for a drive-through order. From the moment the patty hits the grill to the moment the burger is in your hand, the goal is to be as fast as possible without sacrificing quality. What about freshness? You might be surprised. In recent years, McDonald's has shifted to a made-for-you system. For menu items like the Quarter Pounder, the beef is now cooked fresh to order. This means the patty isn't cooked until you actually place your order, ensuring you get a hotter, juicier burger. This was a huge operational change, requiring new kitchen layouts and retraining, but it was all in the name of improving the customer experience. This commitment to evolving and improving is a big part of why McDonald's has stayed on top for so long. Let's not forget the other ingredients. The cheese is a classic American cheese, chosen for its perfect meltability. The onions are typically rehydrated, dehydrated onions, which provide a consistent, mild flavor. And the pickles? They're specially sourced dill pickles, sliced criterios, and brined to a specific McDonald's recipe. Every single component, no matter how small, is subject to the same rigorous sourcing and quality standards as the beef. It's this attention to detail, multiplied by millions, that defines the McDonald's process. So the next time you unwrap a McDonald's burger, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken. From the ranch to the processing plant, through a massive distribution network, to a high-tech kitchen, and finally assembled in seconds. It's a masterpiece of modern food production, designed to deliver a consistent, safe, and tasty product to millions of people every single day. It's a system built on precision, speed, and an unbelievable scale. The simple burger is, in fact, anything but simple. Thanks so much for watching and joining us on this behind-the-scenes look. What part of the process surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how your favorite foods are made. We'll see you in the next one.